Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add custom token to Binance. It's very quick and easy, so let's start. So the first thing you have to do is go to this website. Just search on your browser bscscan.com/token. And once you're here, just tap on the tokens, this one. You have two options, tap token and then token transfers. And now if you scroll down, you can see in here all the tokens that you can add to your Binance wallet. So you just have to choose one, tap on the token that you want to add to your Binance, and here you can see the token information, which is this one. So we need to copy the address. Just tap on that. And then go to your Binance Chain wallet and tap on the plus sign. After that, go to custom asset and then paste here your token information. And now you can add this asset in your Binance wallet. There you go, it's already here. And that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!